We have the heterogeneous equilibrium, CaCO3, S, Rydolph-Tharpens-Chaus plus CO2, G. For equilibrium constants, activities of pure solids are taken as 1 and do not appear in K expressions. Check each option. A. Kc equals CO2, Chow, /CaCO3, incorrect because solids, CaCO3, Chow, should not appear. B. Kp equals PCO2 and Kc equals CO2, because pure solids have activity equals 1 and do not appear. Also, at fixed T, equilibrium PCO2 is independent of amounts of solid. C. Adding more CaCO3, S, shifts equilibrium right, false for a system with excess solid. Changing the amount of a pure solid does not change equilibrium position. D. Kp equals Kc because pressure is independent of ideal gas law, false. In general, Kp and Kc are related by Kp equals Kc, RT, delta N. E. At equilibrium, CO2 equals CaCO3, incorrect. Stoichiometric coefficients do not imply equal equilibrium concentrations. Thus, the only correct statement is option B.